This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn & Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with their closing grain and livestock comments for November 9th, 2016. Corn market today down 13 cents, soybeans down 20, wheat market down 7 to 8 in Chicago, 7 to 8 in Kansas City, and more or less steady on the Minneapolis wheat. Major news today, crop report, USDA, big news there, raising corn yield from 173.4 to 175.3, a substantial increase there. And in soybeans went from a 51.4 to a 52.5, so quite sizable increases in the yield, something we were looking for and expecting, and that's part of the reason to the big weakness there. Also just kind of outside markets a little uneasy as a change in the election with Trump getting elected and the stock market having nearly 1,000-point swing from low last night of 800 lower to high today of 239 higher. Bonds down 5 full ticks as of right now. Dollar index went lower and then has rallied since, now higher, up 70. So again, a very wild day on the outsides. Crop report negative, just allowed some spillover effect into the grains, and we'll have to see if we can recover here. We've kind of broke down the charts here once again, and we'll see just where that support sets up. We're looking for about 335 as support in corn and around this 950 to 965 area in soybeans. Some are calling for beans to hold at the 200-day moving average, which we're against right now. We'll see what tomorrow does, see what the export sales give us, and go from there. The feeder cattle market today down anywhere from 15 to 50 cents. Live cattle up 25 to 85, and the hog market down 42.5. When you look there, really the focal point is on cash, asking price at 105 live in the cattle. Trade, some in Nebraska around 103, and we'll see where that takes us here. Expectations are for higher cash this week, but we got to see it come to fruition to have a chance at getting this board back up near 106 on the live basis. The hog market continues to deal with some big slaughter numbers. We're really at a pivotal area here that we're going to struggle, in our opinion, to get above this 47 and sustain. So possibly look for this range between 41 and 47 to kind of encompass a lot of trade here for the rest of this month, in our opinion. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn & Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results.